So another question is, what does it mean when it says days to maturity from planting inside or out?
Yeah, we see this on the label. Your days to maturity, 80 days. Days to maturity, 112. What are we talking about? Is it from the time we start the seed inside in our cell, in our root maker grow tray, or what's the equation? What's the answer here?
It's from planting to harvest.
So if we plant a radish seed outside, it's 30 days to maturity. If we start a tomato seed inside, it doesn't start until we put that tomato in the ground and then start going. We put the tomato in the ground X day, and then we count 90 days, and that's when the plant should be bearing a produce for us.
Right, and that's why
yes.
You don't have to start seeds.
Well, you don't have to start seed. Well,
No, so, yeah, because when growing up,
Yes.
we didn't start seeds. We just planted them in the ground.
Tomatoes, peppers, eggplants, they
All
went
the things.
right in the ground,
Yep.
and that was it.
We were still harvesting zucchini in August and tomatoes in August and et cetera. And so I like starting seeds.
Right.
It's okay.
It's a way to get a healthy plant established, and then you can put that healthy plant in the.
But is it healthy? You got to harden it.
Right.
You put the seed, then it's like the strongest survive.
But then you may have patches where those seeds didn't come up, or something ate them because they were weak, or whatever the case is. So
Right.